Hi there! I'm going to show you how to make Japanese rice with multigrain perfectly without a rice cooker. This time we are using red and black rice and also quinoa. Add 365 grams of Japanese rice and 95 grams each of red and black rice into a bowl. Use cold water and start washing the rice. Strain the water. Put the rice back into the bowl and wash again. Strain the water. Repeat 3 to 4 times. Then add 60 grams of quinoa into a bowl and wash 2 or 3 times. Now add the rice and quinoa in a pot. 630 grams of filtered water and mix well. Cover with a lid, then leave 40 to 60 minutes. Turn the heat to mid and bring the water to the boil. Takes about 6 to 7 minutes. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat to low and simmer until the water is gone. Once the water is gone, turn off heat. Wrap the lid with a towel and leave 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, mix well and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching. See you next video.